Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a very short story from Buddha stories. And the name of the story is A Spiritual Attitude. So let me begin the story. Once Lord Buddhadev, actually Buddhadev had many disciples and Subhuti was one of the chief disciples. And one day Buddhadev had a short stay in Jetavan. Um, there Subhuti came to him and prostrated on his feet. Then he bowed down his head and said, "O Lord, with your permission, I want to propagate the message far and wide." Then Lord Buddhadev said, "O Subhuti, it is not so easy to be a teacher. And even if you will say some beautiful words, people are there who will criticize you and who will condemn you. So why unnecessarily you want to do that?" Then Subhuti said, "O Lord, still then I will smile and I will remind myself that this is a small reward and just give me the permission." But hearing his words, Buddhadev kept silent and he didn't give any more answer. At that very moment, some other monks came to him and they started discussing about the other monasteries and other viharas, other things, while Buddhadev kept busy and then he took his lunch and took some rest. In the evening, when Buddhadev came back, he saw that uh, uh, Subhuti was sitting in the same posture, means his head bowed, and and he was in the exactly same position that he sat in the morning. So immediately Buddhadev said, "Ki, "O Subhuti, you have not gone. I thought that you have understood from my silence. Then you got your answer." Then Subhuti immediately said, "Ki, "O Lord, uh, I am not that wise to understand your silence, and no one can. Oh Lord, with your grace and permission, I can do that." Then Buddhadev said, "O Subhuti, you know, people are, uh, people may not pay any attention to listen you, and that too, if they will, they will not listen to you, then what you will do?" Then Subhuti said, "O Lord, at least uh, still I will smile and I will remind myself they are not calling my name and accusing me." And once again Buddhadev said, "Look, even uh, after that also, even if you will smile and still then if they hurl stone at you, then what you will do?" And Subhuti said, "Still I will smile and I'll remind myself that they have not, they could have done some means worst thing, but they have not pinned down me and stabbed me." Then Buddhadev said, "If they will do so, then what you will do?" Then Subhuti said, "O Lord, still I will smile and I will remind myself that at least they have not killed me." Then Lord Buddhadev said, "O Subhuti, if they will kill you, then what you will do?" Then immediately for the first time, with tearful eyes, Subhuti raised his head and looked at the beautiful lotus-eyed face of Lord Buddhadev. And immediately he said, "O Lord, then I will, other than dying on your lotus feet, if I will die there, then that is the greatest nirvana I could get. I will be the fortunate one. I will be blessed that I was propagating your message and I die at that spot. I will die on that spot. So that is my nirvana." Then Buddhadev immediately lifted his seat and embracing him said, "O Subhuti, now you go and spread the message." You know what? There are three core uh, virtues for the spiritual attitude. The first one is uh, determination. Second, selfishness. Less, mane, don't be selfish. Huh? Then the patience. And I have seen all these three qualities with you. And not only that, you have the quality of um, compassion, and you also know how to surrender. So definitely you can do the job very nicely. You go and do it. So this was Lord Buddha that told to Subhuti, but only one thing, you know, the desire and the means the greediness, particularly desire. These are the main cause of human suffering. If you go on thinking to get more and more and more, and dissatisfaction will be created, and you can never be happy. So the main reason to get some spiritual attitude, you have to keep your patience, determination, and selflessness. That way, you can also develop the spiritual attitude. Okay, this much is the story. And though I very philosophically, I'm not going to explain, I'm not that great a person. Anyways, this I have read from a site, I think, because usually I forget the name of the site. As you know, I'm an old lady. Um, so I usually forget. This one I read from, I think it was os.me or somewhere. Anyways, thank you so much. And once again, if I will get another story, I'll share it with you. I love this story. Thank you.